friends, I'm Nikhilja. Welcome back to my channel and hope you're doing great. So in today's video I'm just going to talk about how you can find accommodation in Germany using this particular website which is called WG-Gesucht. I don't know exactly how to pronounce it, but this is the website which I found the best. There are many other websites as well. So I use this particular website to get a couple of offers in which I was offered like a temporary stay for 2 months or 3 months, and that was also cool because I can use that particular offer without any contract and I can go there and just find a proper accommodation and then shift over there. This is just for emergency, as well as you can try your luck. You might find a very nice accommodation uh, on a permanent basis, as in for a long tenure, right? Long duration. So the process is very simple. What you have to do is sort of say just log into this website and change its language to English. In case if you don't know Dutch or Spanish, change it to English from the bottom foot bar. Upon doing that, what you can do is just put the name of a city, whether it is Berlin, Paderborn. For example, I am going to Paderborn University, so I was searching for Paderborn, right? And what you need to search next is whether you need flat shares, one room flats, full flats like 1 BHK, 2 BHK kind of flat, or houses. So, for example, let's just start with one room flats. Okay, fine. So, Paderborn, NRW, that is the state, and one room flats I chose. And what I'm searching for is offers. There are two options, offers or request. So in case if you have a flat, you can search for request, or you can search for offer now because you're searching for flats, right? So now see, upon doing this, you'll get 1678 offers. So these are the offer created by the caretakers or the owners of the houses, and you can use this particular set of say offers and then use it. So the best thing is in Germany you get the sizes of the apartments, and this is the size of your room. And once upon opening this particular ad, you'll get a detailed information about that particular flat. For example, say 470 is a little expensive for me, but after looking from this photo, I can say that it is a pretty nice flat. So let's open it. So see, this is the person who is putting it on this particular website, and click here to view photos of the property. So see, you here you can see the photos of that particular property, right? So this is good that you have a basic look like how this is going to be. There is a balcony and all, kitchen is proper, oven is there, or say dishwasher might be there, then a sink, and multiple things are there, right? Then the size is 26 meters square. That is quite huge. That's why the rent is, I guess, 470 euros, and the basic rent is 340. Utilities 100 euros, which include like multiple things, but still you have to keep asking the owner or the caretaker that what is actually being provided in the utilities, as in your Wi-Fi is included, or your say heating charges and gas charges are included or not. You have to ask that. Then upon doing that, miscellaneous cost 30 euros and deposit is 1000 euros. That is quite high. Generally the price should be around 300 to 320, including all of it, and deposit can be varying from 400 to 500 to 700. Then this flat is available from 110. Address is this. So what you can do is you can also search this particular address in case if you want. So that is up to you, but still sort of say I like doing this. So as I particular now see, what you can see is this is the University of Paderborn, and this is your particular apartment, right? So it is quite nearby, so that is a good thing. So see, University at Paderborn and your university. So in this way you can see this, like where it is actually, as well as without searching it on Google Maps. What you can do is go beneath, and there are generally map in which the particular location is shown. In this it was not, so that's strange. Or maybe once I log in they'll give that. So I'll just put my credentials. I've already logged in. So upon logging in you get no, so here we are not getting that. Then see, basic details. These things are in German, so you can simply just copy paste them in Google Translate and you can search like exactly what it is. For example, the apartment has balcony with a beautiful view. Okay. And then location. Unipadabon is only 1 minute walk. That is very cool for the students, but it's quite expensive. So see, 26 meter square is the size of the apartment, and it is only one room. So it's the whole apartment which you are getting, right? And then 470 euros, 1000 deposit, no equipment fees, utilities, miscellaneous. So what you can do is send message, click here, right? Now see, what you can do is, hi, I am so and so, and I am getting admission, blah 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 blah, right? What you can do is keep a note of it, like in your notes somewhere, or notepad or your Apple Notes, like what you actually want to put. And one time you can just put it here, like see, whatever I write, save as a new template. I'm getting an option, so you can save. What I have done is I have already saved. I have just kept it unnamed. So how I do it, for example, this is uh, a lesson, right? So hi Alasan, I'm Nikhil from India. I'm going to join Paderborn University in the winter semester for doing my master's in CS. I'm looking for amazing flat and flatmates near the university. I'm a keen explorer, cyclist, gym beginner, and cleanliness enthusiast, as well as a basic cook who loves cooking and experimenting with food and drinks. Looking forward to hear from you and connecting with you as well. You can check my Instagram profile. So this is how I put it. In case if you're liking it too much, what you can do is put your CV kind of thing, or something which is interesting about you here. Like for example, my Instagram is cool. One can understand my mentality from it, my personality through it. So I kept it over this place. I can attach something like my CV or something. I once sent someone my CV along with this, and I got a reply from them. That was cool. Then you can send message. I'm not sending it to him because I found this too expensive. And after sending that, you will get a reply. So write your thing once, keep it saved, right? So that is the way how to do it. Apart from that, click over this place, just hover over there and click on my profile. Set this up. This is very important, I guess. Put a profile photo so that they can understand actually who the person is coming, and this increases the credibility of your profile and increases the chance, right? Then put your phone number and all, city, postal code, whatever. They will ask for a street and house number, just put your university and all. And then profile extras. Here the game goes, like sports. Which kind of sports you like, put it over there. Music, music taste. Free time, what you do, just put it over this. Then cooking, smoking, whatever your preferences are. Then if moving, I'll bring amazing flavors of Indian chicken curry, or food, as well as a little motivation for gym and cleanliness. I love all the weather and enjoy adapting to new cultures and people. Respectful, decent gentleman with a fun side too. See you soon. That is, I already just mentioned that I'm coming to settle there. So see you soon. Or even if not, we might catch up someday. Then from this place you can change your settings, right? Your language to English and all. Then privacy things, credential, you can change your password from this place. Delete your account once you find it and you no longer want this, just simply delete so that nobody can spam you. And this is how it goes. And simply now again, go to your search for new flats and go for it. So I hope you like this video. In case if you enjoyed the video and you found it informative, please like, share and subscribe, and share with other people who might need it somewhere in future. Thank you so much. Have a very nice day.